Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive straight into using Notion to manage your Airbnb properties using the 2025 guide. Now, the first step is setting up your workspace. This is where you'll organize all property-related information. You can add property photos, descriptions, and even links to your Airbnb listing. This is crucial because it keeps everything in one easily accessible place. After you've set up your workspace, it's time to create a template. Click Templates and design a layout that suits your needs. You might include sections for bookings, maintenance tasks, and guest communications. The reason we do this is to ensure consistency across all properties, saving us time in the long run. Now that we've done that, let's add some data. You can use the database feature to track bookings, guest feedback, and other essential information. This helps us because it enables efficient tracking of key aspects of your Airbnb business. The next step is setting up reminders. Notion allows you to set reminders for tasks such as sending check-in details or scheduling cleaning services. This is important as it helps you stay on top of tasks and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let me explain why integrating Notion with your calendar matters. By integrating Notion with your Google Calendar or iCal, you can see all your bookings and tasks in one place. This way, you'll never miss a booking or forget a task. Finally, make use of Notion's collaborative features. If you work with a team, you can share your Notion workspace with them. This allows everyone to be on the same page, reducing communication errors and improving efficiency. To wrap up, Notion is a powerful tool that can streamline the management of your Airbnb properties. From setting up your workspace to integrating with your calendar, each step we've discussed today plays a crucial role in making your life as an Airbnb host easier. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.